Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week I let you know that Microsoft had added GPT-4o for free to the Bing Image Creator. And as I mentioned in the video, which will be linked, according to Microsoft, GPT-4o delivers a major leap in image generation quality. Check the video out for more info. Now, once again, Microsoft is going all out with its AI across its different products and services. And just to let you know now that Microsoft is testing a new AI tool called Copilot 3D, which turns regular images into 3D models. And this is a free web app, but currently Microsoft is A/B testing this feature. It's still an experimental feature, so it's only available to a limited subset of users through the Copilot Labs portal and requires you to sign in with your personal Microsoft account. So just take note of that. And according to Microsoft, you can upload a PNG or JPEG, which is under 10 megabytes in size, and Copilot 3D will generate a 3D model. And here on the Explore Ideas page, you can see there's a library of ready-made models to download if you want to just check those out. So just to show you how this will all work, Microsoft does say, though, works best with single subject with even lighting and plain background. So let's just head to upload an image. Let me just take a basic Edge logo, open that up and see what this does. And then you click on the Create button. And this can take a couple of seconds to generate. So I'm just going to skip to when the image is generated. And then once that's generated, you just click on the image. And here you'll see your 3D render of that image. So you've got two options at the bottom: show generated model. And the next one is show day model. So you've got day model, generated model. And yet to the right, you can recreate and you can download the image. And if we head back, you've also got the option to delete. And this is all on the My Creations page. Now, Microsoft has this officially to say, and I'm quoting, "Whether you're exploring ideas, testing a concept, or guiding hands-on learning, Copilot 3D supports imaginative experimentation without the complexity of traditional 3D software." Microsoft also mentions that everything you make, as I showed, is saved to your My Creations page for 28 days. Microsoft also says that only upload images you own the rights to, and avoid anything that shows people without permission. And according to Microsoft, it says it won't use your uploads to train AI, but it will block anything illegal. And as mentioned, this is an experimental feature, so it's still basically a beta and is rolling out to a limited subset of users. But I don't see why this won't make it to the so-called stable version of Copilot. And I'll leave this page linked in the description because you cannot get this currently through the so-called normal Copilot. So I'll leave the link for easy access and reference. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.